Hi guys, today is our second day here in Bantayan and I'm here at City Lounge to get pizza for takeout for baby Yan Yan. It's hard for him to eat something and the only thing that he can eat is margarita pizza, and that's what he got last night, and now we are gonna do it again for him today because it's just hard for him to eat something. I eat breakfast at Tapa Masters at MJ Square, and today we are just going to probably drive around the island, the whole island probably. Let's go. Finished now. We did hit here at permit. So while I'm waiting, so this is our second day here in Bantayan. So what we did today is we roam around. We went to Bantayan town. We looked for like places what the Bantayan town looks like, and we went to eat in Kermit's. It was a good place, good pastry, the cake is delicious, the drink is good. It's situated in the main, rotunda area. Parking is a little bit hard because the streets are too small. I didn't really have so much picture on the streets. It's a bit hard for us to park, and we just park it along the rotunda area where the police or the traffic enforcement park there. And I got a very big headache earlier, so I wasn't really fond of taking footage of the area, but it was fine. And then we see lots, vacant lots for sale. And then today we saw this, tonight I saw this Phoon place. Check it out, how the food tastes like, and I think it's the first time I think this is the first in Bantayan, maybe, I'm not sure. So we'll see what the food tastes like, and I'm excited. Daddy is not here at the moment. They went back to the hotel to get Yanya's pizza because Yanya had a problem with eating pizza. This place also has like what's that, buwa something? What's that? Tuslog buwa. It's a native food. I don't really eat those, but it's very popular. So they cook their own. Let's see, there's people over here on the side. They're cooking their own, and then they dip in something and eat it like that. It's more on fatty side. If you have no cholesterol problem, then go for it. But if you do, stay away from it. Alright guys, so I'll check back with you later and see what the food tastes like. And I'm crossing my fingers because there's so many locals here. So I think if there's locals, meaning it's good.